Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the latest magnetic Megamix offering from YJ, the YJ Yuhu V2 Megamix. So without any further delay, let's get started. This is the first Megamix in this price range to come equipped with magnets from the factory. YJ released this fascinating puzzle in May 2020 and it has become a main puzzle for all pro Megamix solvers. Talking about the specifications, the Yuhu V2 Megamix weighs 152 grams. The magnets add a nice weight to the puzzle. Out of the box, the puzzle comes factory magnetized with a bit of lubrication and has eye-pleasing super vibrant color scheme. Out of the box, this Megamix is fast and turning is very easy, slightly lubricated and is crispy and smooth at the same time. Stickerless shade and vibrant color scheme gives this puzzle aesthetic look and easy recognition while solving. It has got a unique gripping mechanism with circles engraved in and sculpted edges. The center portion is carved slightly and has ridges on the corners. You may have to give some time to get your hands on this mechanism as the ridges on the corners take time to grip. Apart from that, it has simplistic and minimalistic design mechanisms. It comes pre-magnetized from the factory, which makes it very economical magnetic Megamix at this price range. Corner cutting in this puzzle is around 45 degrees. Hand feel of this puzzle is really very awesome and I'm sure after lubricating it slightly, you can get a smoother and a buttery feel. After a few turns, it moves more effortlessly. Until now, we have found it impossible to pop, corner or twist. For better recognition, you can also get a spare part kit which is available in dark green and black color. These accessory kits come pre-magnetized and you just have to change any side which you think can enhance your recognition. We gave this Megamix to Arush Singh and Nikhil Suarez. Let's hear what they think about it.
Hey guys, it's Nikhil Suarez aka Cuba Nikhil and today I'm going to be reviewing the YJ Yuhu V2M Megamix. So from what I've been told, you guys are probably seeing a 36.40 average of 5 by me in the background or the 31 single, I'm not really sure. So enjoy the solves and let's get into the review. This cube comes in at a price of 899 rupees, which is really good for a flagship Megamix these days. It comes in only in the stickerless variant. The cube was really fast, uncontrollable and dry out of the box, but the uncontrollable and dry feeling went away after I lubed it with a few drops of velocity. So here is the cube and how it was actually sounding before and after the lubing. So as you guys might have noticed, it's a bit softer and that's what I really like. The feeling of this cube is buttery smooth and it really it's just really like you just hold it in your hands and you just want to turn it all the time. Shades are decent and actually pretty good after the second batch. So from the second batch onwards, which you guys will definitely be buying, the dark green and light green are much easier to differentiate between, which is obviously a good thing. Corner cutting on this cube is really good, reverse corner cutting is decent. Magnets are really weak and the cube is also really light. The huge size and the weak magnets actually make it really good for me to table solve, and that's why it's my out of the box main. The centers of each face is slightly, let's just say, indented and the corners are a bit raised. So I feel that's a really good thing and gives me really good grip. My hands don't slip anymore while trying to perform really fast and weird acts. So let's talk about how this cube worked out for me and how I've improved with it. I used to average around 40 to 41 with the GAN because I was just never comfortable with a Megamix for the past 1 year or so, but now I can say it's definitely not the case. My global has definitely gone down by almost a second and that's really good at this speed of mine. So my PB average of 5 was I think around 37 seconds before I got this cube, and now it's 35.5 seconds, so a huge improvement. I've been getting a lot of fast singles, as you guys can see on this cube, and overall I can just say I'm really satisfied with this cube. If you ever want a Megaminx, no matter if you want a budget Megaminx or you are just willing to spend how much ever you want, just go for this cube blindly. I assure you it's the best one on the market. It has like everything which you need in a Megaminx, and especially for table solving, just go for it.
The UV2M is YG's latest Megaminx, and it can be purchased at a price of Rs 899 on Cubelelo. Out of the box, the cube was quite dry and loose, so I took it apart, tightened the tensions and looped it with Cubelelo Weight 5. After doing about 50 solves, the cube broke in completely and got a very nice and smooth feeling. After switching to this cube, I dropped 1 to 2 seconds off my global average. Due to its smooth feeling, cheap price and premium quality, I would recommend this Megaminx to all sorts of Megaminx solvers.
Overall, this puzzle is awesome and the most economical magnetic Megaminx you can get at this price range. Suitable for all kind of puzzlers, whether you are a beginner, intermediate or a speed puzzler. If you are looking for affordable magnetic Megaminx, then you should seriously consider buying this one. We'll give the link to buy this puzzle in the description box below as always. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our latest content. Do hit the like icon if you like the information in this video. We'll see you soon in the next one. Happy cubing!